PEZ will license stuff, and when they do, we get some pretty cool things. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy, here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, I always have liked the character of the piece of candy. Always liked him better than Peter PEZ. So inside are 6 pouches with 6 fruity flavors: cherry, orange, lemon, apple, blue raspberry. And how come we always say blue raspberry together too? You know, I couldn't stop myself there. I saw just raspberry, but I saw blue raspberry too, and I had to put them together. And grape. Kind of like Fun Dip. Inside you have a little dipping stick on one side, and then you have the candy on the other side. All right, we'll open them up. All right. Hate to tear up such cool packaging, but here we go. There's your orange, your cherry, blue raspberry. See, and they put blue raspberry right there where you can see that. But it's not green apple, it's just apple. And not yellow lemon, but lemon. And not purple grape. See, I don't think I'm wrong with that blue raspberry thing. I don't know. So here are your different ones. These are very neat. Looks like the back of the package. Very cool item to display, and it smells wonderful. The sticks are vanilla. I have tried one of the vanilla dipper sticks. It's very good. I have tried each one of the powders. It was hard for me to save this pack for this video. But you better believe I'm going to be going to town on one of these here soon. Maybe blue raspberry, but not orange. Maybe orange later. All right. So now, there is our cherry. Here is our orange. And see how careful I'm being, Pluto? Yeah, I'm not making messes. Not making messes. Blue raspberry time. Because you can't just have any raspberry. It must be blue raspberry. Here's our grape. Reminds me of those little sand things in the jar that you would overpay for. Yeah. All right, there's the green apple, even though it's just called apple. And now our yellow lemon. All right. This is the vanilla dipper stick. Here's what I like most about it. It says PEZ. Just a big old tablet of PEZ. And it's vanilla flavored. It's very, very tasty. Oh, there you go. So we're going to try some of the yellow lemon. Wow, that's lemony. Woo! That's a little tart. That one is a little tart. Woo! Wow. Wow, sorry about that. I had to go cleanse the palate. It was extremely sour. Now the green one, it's not so bad. It's not sour apple. It's just green apple. Let's try this grape. Oh, it doesn't taste like grape PEZ. I was really hoping for it. These don't taste like PEZ candy flavors. I think they just marketed the name and put it on some bee candy. Woo! You can taste the blue in that raspberry. Definitely sour. Get some of this orange on here. Whew. Wow. So these are sour. These are definitely sour. I don't see them saying sour anywhere on the packages. They're fruity flavors. Wild colors. True, true. Pretty sour as well. Right, so this is the cherry. Well, that isn't bad. I'm usually not a fan of cherry. Oh, wow. Oh! I'm not going to blame you, Pluto. This time. That's not what I wanted to do. Oh, we've made a huge mess. Oh, I'm so going to regret what I'm about to do. So here we go. As some of the most sour. Oh! Woo! Wow. Yeah. This stuff's tasty. This vanilla thing. Woo. This stuff, not so much. Way too sour. Although I did like the blue one. Blue raspberry. Oh, and I have sticks for later. Yes! Ta-da! There we go. That's more sugar than I think I've consumed in the past year. Yeah. Well, I better get that important call. So until next time.